What's going on, guys? Mixed here. Happy Halloween, everyone. And as you can see, today's guest is a JSGC. Let's have him behind the bar as we will be doing 4 shots for Halloween and we'll show you how to make them. The first shot we will be making is the Black Death, and JSGC will be making this first shot.
Am I even old enough to be on the bar?
You certainly are.
Okay. I just look.
Or I could make a joke.
I look about 13.
Yeah. Well, the beard and the moustache is getting there. Yeah, you're old. You're getting old these days.
Okay, what are we doing?
For the Black Death, it's Kahlua. It's
Sambuca and Bailey's.
Kahlua at the bottom. Okay. So yeah, Black Death. So you're happy with it?
That'll do.
Perfect. Next ingredient is Sambuca. Clear Sambuca. This time, JSGC use the spoons. Yeah, so it's separating. Stop. Beautiful. Doing a good job. Doing a good job. Last ingredient, guys, is a third of a part again of Bailey's. So say for the ingredients, normally about 7.5ml, quarter an ounce for each one. That's it. Look at it. The bit just sitting there. Stop.
Hey!
There you go, guys.
Hey! Nice. That's the Black Death. Is this video going to be more interesting than the Mario shots?
Yeah. Peach Schnapps, Bailey's, Grenadine. Great Haemorrhage. I know this one.
Why not dressed as Mario? Mario does not.
Should put on the past one from 2 years ago. It's terrible, it's absolutely terrible. But if you want to watch, I'll leave a link for you.
We want a link in the description.
Well, link, I'll leave one.
We want a link.
Right, guys, next shot is the brain shot. Get your peach schnapps and pour. We'll be filling up to 2/3 of the glass.
What was that 2/3. Oh yeah, okay.
And now just layer on the Baileys.
I know what's coming. I know what's coming.
And now you'll see why it's called the brain hemorrhage shot. We've got to add a dash of grenadine into the cap. So we'll pour slowly into it, and you'll see why it's called the brain hemorrhage shot. See with the Grenadine, it's forcing the Baileys down to create a brain-like hemorrhage like that with the Grenadine in the blood. One brain hemorrhage.
Clumsy bartender drops and stuff.
No.
So next, we're going to be making the Black Widow
shot.
And
just juice in
this. In a shaker, we've already put some ice in. We're going to be adding the ingredients to the tin. So can I have some peach schnapps, please? It's 1/4 of an ounce.
Which is 7.5ml.
And can I have the Kahlua, please?
Okay. Again, 1/4 of an ounce, 7.5ml.
And lastly, can I have the tequila, please?
Okay. Clear tequila, to be precise. 7.5ml, 1/4 of an ounce again.
Oh, this is the one with the funky hat. Time to shake for 8 to 10 seconds to get it
Nice
and chilled. Nice and chilled. Now to strain into our shot glass.
Yeah.
That is an unusual colour. I don't want to say what it looks like.
Beautiful.
A weird looking shot, and I think we're
And the
adding
final bit, yeah, add a dash of grenadine.
a dash of grenadine. Looks like apple juice.
Yes. That's a lot. I would add you if you want more later.
Got too much?
Just add a little dash, yeah. There you go.
There we go. You see a little red look at it.
And there you go, guys. One Black Widow shot. One more shot to go. And that brings us to the last shot, guys, the zombie brain shot, and I will show you how to make this shot. First ingredient one is 7.5 ml, quarter of an ounce of peach schnapps. Just fills a 30 glass, and that's it. Just going to bother doing that.
Funky looking.
And there's one thing. I had to add a dash of grenadine into it to create that brain look again.
Hold your fire. I'm gonna hold it up.
Yep, you hold hardcore.
There we go.
One zombie brain shot.
Yeah.
There you go, guys, that is the Black Death shot. The next one we made, guys, was the Brain Hemorrhage shot. This one is the Black Widow shot. And the last one I'll just show you, which is a zombie brain shot. And that, guys, is our 4 Halloween shots. And now to try them, I'll be the first one. I will be doing the zombie brain shot. Happy Halloween, guys. It's quite nice, actually. I like it. It has a kick to it, but the grenadine sweetens it with the mint liqueur, the Creme De Menthe. It's interesting. And what have you got there, JSGC?
The brain shot, whatever it's called.
The Brain Hemorrhage shot.
What's in it?
It's got the peach schnapps, the grenadine, and the beans on top.
Oh, okay. I don't want to spill one.
Nice, takes in one go.
What
do you think of that, JSGC?
It's nice when you take the shot. You get like the brain bit goes straight into your mouth. So because its texture feels really weird in your mouth.
It is with the Bailey. I know what you mean. The Bailey's mixing with it. It gives it that weird texture with the grenadine and mixes it together.
It's not a weird taste, just a weird texture in your mouth. It feels weird.
It's alright. It is weird, but it's alright. It is with the zombie brain shots. It's exactly the same, but with the mint.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Next one we'll be trying is the Black Widow shot.
You just feel warm inside.
That looks a lot like apple juice, but it isn't.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm good.
It's not too bad. It's the Kahlua like a taste that's gives it the strongest taste. It's not my favourite. Third one. And the last one is the Black Death.
That doesn't sound good, does it? What's in it?
At the bottom we've got the Kahlua, Sambuca, that's an interesting one, and on top Bailey's. Interesting combination. Judging by yours, it's not your favourite lot.
You know what remind me of?
What?
Remember Revolutions?
Yes.
Remember the shot that used to really blow
Oh,
you
I
out?
never, yeah, I never had one like before a night out. They'll
Yeah.
blow me over, never had that fun.
Do you remember the shots though that used to really set your mouth on fire?
Yeah.
Similar. If you haven't been to Revolutions, but you had shots.
That's
then-
Sambuca
then, yeah.
you did that time.
Wasn't that bad.
No, but I meant the cough.
Prefer
Yeah,
the
for
other
the
one. The Kahlua gives it a nice coffee taste. Not that
Yeah.
bad.
But that is our 4 Halloween shots for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and have an awesome Halloween like we are here over at Mixed, as JSGC has been fantastic on the channel, so we'll send some love over to his channel, like and subscribe to JSGC. Check him out on
Hit
YouTube.
5,000 subscribers.
Yeah, it's hit 5,000 subscribers, so check him out, 5k.
Yeah.
Also, you can check out his vlogs, JSGC vlogs, if you like vlogs. Go and check out, and also the gaming channel, JSGC Gaming.
Which you're
Where
predominantly
we're
doing.
trying part of as well.
Predominantly doing.
Yeah. But that is the Halloween shots, and hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed if you wish to see more cocktail drinks and shots and shooters. And also you can check out my social media in the description below if you wish, my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and also my email, which is mixed@gmail.com. But please do let me know in the comments below, did you like these Halloween shots, and what have you done this Halloween? Well, that is all for now, guys. Cheers.